indicates the change? Is it
How does it work?
Yeah.
It's a very complex thing that's actually really simple. It basically it's just the more pressure you push down on here from your body weight, this can extend. But it can't extend if the ground is soft enough. If it's hard, it doesn't extend. So it's kind of a combination of the amount of pressure you're putting through the boot into the ground and the reaction of the ground back into the boot. So if it's on like a hard surface like this, it obviously wouldn't extend. But when it's softer ground, and what happens is when it's softer ground, the plate here will kind of flatten out on the ground and then these extend.
Providing with some extra grip. So if that table was made of Play-Doh, that's an example I used yesterday, actually kind of simple, and you exert a certain amount of pressure on that table, your finger will go down by 10 millimeters. If it's kind of a softer surface, you exert the same type of pressure, it's going to go further down. So that's kind of how it works. So based on the athlete's force, but also the ground's firmness, the stud will extend more or less.
And that's why it's positioned here. Like if I'm replicating the biomechanics of some guy running, when they're on that first step acceleration, you're doing this. So the highest pressure, like different to a running shoe, the highest pressure is through this area of the boot. So we know the highest pressure is going through the toe and under the mat head, so it uses those kind of key points to really have the most impact on traction. It's also the area on those first steps. If you slip, you've lost the ball or you've lost your game. So it's really focused on the bit that has the most impact on the performance side of it as well.